Hello guys, today we're playing Beestorm Simulator again. As you can see, I got very OP. I got some armor for the first time. I got the Porta Hive, I got the Honey Dipper. You know, the good stuff. And I got 3 Royal Jellies. I got so much stuff. 8 Bitter Berries, 19 Moon Charms. Pretty good. Yes. Now I'm trying to... Oh my. Oh. Wow. This is pretty cool. But sadly, I don't have that. And also, I fought two Vicious Bees. Actually, 3. I helped one. 3 Vicious Bees and got like 10 stingers. And now I have 22 stingers. Vicious Bee. You're so hard to get. Why? Why? Why must you be the life ruiner? Oh, Rhino Beetle, no attacking. Oh wait, oh, let's go, Royal Jelly and 1 ticket. Oh, I was expecting 6. Okay, 143. Oh wait, the treat dispenser. Oh, hey, 6-5. Okay. 1 hour harvest to gain about random item. Okay. It's only 1 sunflower seed. Belt bag. Okay. Oh yeah, I spent 3 stingers on that. I don't remember about that. Okay, Looker Guard. Bomber Guard. Huh. A playful hat. Okay, this says very good stuff. But I don't have enough. Oh wait, the paper planter, literally an hour of playtime. Let me try this.
Gujin.
Yeah?
Gujin, how can
Wait,
I change my
recording. Oh no. No, I got nothing right. This is kind of like gambling, bro. 2 hours? Wait a second, guys. Okay. Back. I'm sorry. My brother had something to do. Hey, by the way, I think my friend's somewhere here. He literally just joined. He has like the rakes. I know. He's been playing much more than me, bro. I mean, he literally has like... Yes! Tickets! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Honey Storm! Honey Storm. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. Oh, I love the Honey Storm. Oh, yeah. No, wait, is this a legendary? This is an epic sprout. Well, it's right in the red field. It's very lucky for me. You know why? Oh my. Connected. You know why? Because I need 300,000 red pollen. And this is 5 million. Yay, someone's helping me. Oh my gosh, that's pretty good. Oh. Yeah. I think that's an epic sprout. I don't know. Legendary sprout. I think legendary sprouts are supposed to be like white. Oh my, everyone's coming here. Cobalt B. Crimson. Oh my gosh. But by the way, guys, me and my brother ordered new toys in Beast Swarm Simulator, so it's coming tomorrow, but I don't know if the codes will work because I think on it didn't even come up for an idea for the codes. Oh my gosh, this is going fast. I don't even need an instant converter. Yeah. Instant convert. What is this? What is this shade thing? Oh, it's just pollen running out. Oh no! My speed boost! My speed boost! Oh my gosh, there's 3 people. We only did like 400,000. Wait, what did he just do? Okay, we're gonna have to spam this. Oh my gosh! We're going so fast! Yay! This is gonna help me a lot for my goal. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Ooh, boy. Haha. Balloon. What is that balloon? I got a strawberry without knowing it. Oh, dang, bro. Dang. By the way, you guys should totally check out my Bed Wars video I literally just recorded like on Sunday. Oh my gosh, it refills. Bro, these bubbles are OP. Messy Pony. I think that's my friend right there. He has Cobalt B. He has Grim Reaper looking B guy. Oh my gosh. Daniel. K join. Yeah, that's what we call each other in school. We have nicknames. Try to guess my real name. This is kind of like a hint. And try to guess this person's name I'm literally talking to right now. Boy. Oh, yes. It went to 3 million. It's gonna take a long time, but I'm sure we'll do it. Oh, yes. This converting thing, it's so OP. Literally gives you infinite honey storage. Or pollen storage. Gosh. Oh my gosh, he has the golden rakes. He has like 100 million or not, something. 150 million. You know, he has a bunch of stuff. A bunch of good stuff. Oh! We got like 600,000. Messy Pony, you mean Daniel? Bro, they literally exposed my real name. I'm recording! Bro! You guys probably know my real name now. Daniel. But that's not my actual name though. I have a cultural name. Master Noob. Oh, my brother exposed my name. No. Oh my gosh. I'm not getting a lot of pollen, am I? Bro, I need a lot of haste. Give me all the haste you can give me. Bro, there's an epic sprout. Bro, Crimson and Cobalt, they just flash around. Oh, yes, haste. I like epic sprouts. One day, I think they'll give me a diamond egg. Or maybe a mythic egg. If it gives me a mythic egg, I'm gonna be so happy. I'll cry. I'll literally cry. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is mine. Okay. Royal Jelly! Yes! I have the speed. No! My haste. Hasty B, do your job! Yes! Hasty B! Oh, yes! Let's go. Oh, yes. So good. Where's my Hasty B? Give me. No. And they start giving it to me right now. Really? I could really use that haste. Haste, 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 haste. Oh, yes. I can't see anything. Oh, yes. Haste, 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 haste. Haste. Yes. X8. X9. X10. Yes. Now I'm Flash. Yes. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Bad, bad, bad. Bad, bad, bad. It glitched. Oh, yes. Oh, haste. Bro. Haste. Yes. Eh. Eh. Yes. Where's my haste? My brother's saying golden. Sprout. The rare sprouts are pretty good. I want to say like OP. Oh no! I lost my haste. Oh no. Oh, haste token! Yes! Yes! I need to be fast so I can collect all the rewards. Yeah! Ah, yes! A million! My quest is almost done. Oh, I'm trying so hard. Oh my gosh, I'm such a tryhard. Oh yes! Hasty token. Oh! Arachnid! What? Arachnid? Arachnid? Bro, my haste token. This is one of my last ones. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Very good. Oh, wow, bro. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Yes. One of my quests. Bro, it's still going. Oh my. How much things did I get? I got 2 royal jellies. I have 147 tickets. Woo! That's good. That's so good. Bro. Okay. How many Ah! Why? Ah! I need 15 quests done just to go up there, that achievement thing. Look at how many bees I have. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn on auto jelly though. Until legendary. Yes. Yes, that's very smart. Because I'm sorry. He has 24 stingers? I spent like 2 on something. Wow. He didn't spend it on a single thing, I think. Hey, this is my friend SXXX Nobkey XXX. And this is my username I first picked. Oh, wait. Is this a Robux egg? Don't tell me that's a Robux one. Bro, the shop is so pay to win. It's the bear Wait. Isn't this for... Okay, instantly getting 10,000 honey. That's not a lot. A star egg. A mythical star egg. A star egg, a mythical star. You don't currently have exclusive event bees. Limit 5 limit 3. Bro. Why? I'm gonna get a new bee. Trying to transform it into a legendary. Boy. boy. Yes. Oh, I barely had enough. Oh my gosh. Basic egg. Ooh, pretty good. My luck is drying. My luck is running dry. Why? Okay, I have to go talk to Black Bear. 200,000, okay. Not bad. Pumpkin patch? I forgot where the pumpkin patch was. Oh wait, oh, yeah, the pumpkin patch. Now I know where it is. Wait, did I finish the hobby? Oh, yes, I did. Strawberry badge, okay. Using 5 royal jellies. You're brave, bee. Transform into a cool bee. I really don't care. But what are these treats doing? It's not doing anything. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here for a while. But I think I have to go soon. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. I know it was about just playing Bee Swarm, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe. It's very generous for you to subscribe. So, please, if you can, please do it. And see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.